Hello friends, how's it going? It's me, Betty Jean. I'm so excited. I'm gonna be playing with the new collab from Lethal Cosmetics and Theresa is Dead, and I'm so thrilled. Thank you so much to Theresa and Lethal for sending this over, and a huge congratulations to both of you. This is so well deserved and I'm so thrilled. This is such a good collaboration. You two are meant for each other and I'm just so excited to dive into this palette and keep playing with it. It's so exciting. I love the horror theme. It's just everything. In this video, I'll be doing close-ups of the products, swatches. I'll be doing a tutorial on this look and I love how it came out. Oh, it's gonna be so fun. I'm so excited. Theresa is such a wonderful person. I watch pretty much every single one of her videos without hesitation. I just adore her. She's so funny. If you're not following her, please do, because you will not regret it. Before we hop into the video itself, let me just quickly give you my details. I believe this ghost face choker is from Raven Beads. It's very old, so it might not exist, but I'm pretty sure I got it off Raven Beads. My plugs are from Love Kills Boutique. My ring is from Etta Love. This wig is a Charisma brand wig. Check my FAQ in the description box if you need spelling. And this hat is from Foxblood Shop. So yeah, let's just hop in now and do some swatches, chat about the palette, and get into the tutorial. Okay, let's chat about the products. First, there are these 3 pot gel liners and they're so cool. I'm so excited to finally try these because I've yet to try this formula from the brand and I'm really pumped. We have the shades Ectoplasm, Entity, and Spectre. Ectoplasm is a really cool kind of limey green. It's so pretty. I love this kind of a shade. It really makes my heart sing. Entity is such a beautiful like slate gray color. It's just so rich and unique. I don't really have liners this color. And Spectre is such a delicious blue. I'm so excited to play with this one. I did play with the first 2 in this look and I'm really excited to try this blue one out as well. And the palette, the Lethal is Dead palette. This is so cool. I just love the packaging. It's so simple but effective. I don't know if that makes sense. I just love it so much. And right under the mirror here, it says, "Don't look behind you." Everything about the theming is so cool. We have 9 beautiful shadows, 3 lovely shimmers, 6 beautiful mattes. I love the range of tones in here. We have greens, blues, turquoise, pink, purple. It's such a cute color story and I'm just so excited to keep playing with this. I will for sure do an Instagram video with this. I want to do a 2 looks video. I'm going to try to do a 2 looks video, but my filming list is slammed and I'm literally leaving for my birthday week in like a couple days. So I don't know when I'll be able to get that up, but I do want to do a 2 looks as well. So I will try my best to get it up as soon as possible. So yeah, I think I've said it all here in this beginning part of the video. Let's just go ahead and do the tutorial and I will give you my thoughts on everything so far at the end of the video. Hello, hi, I'm so excited to dive into this collection. It's gonna be so cool. I'm so proud of Theresa and I can't wait to play with this. My goal is to do a very smoky thing with kind of like probably these colors and maybe a pop of this, and I really want to use one of the gel liners to do like a cut crease with. So that's the plan. Let me get my eyes primed, or eyes singular, I do them one at a time. So yeah, I'm gonna prime with my Smashbox lid primer in light, and I'm not going to set it because I don't prefer to do that. I'm actually uploading this the same day that I'm filming it, so hello from the present. I hope you're having a good day. I just got this delivered yesterday right before I went to work and I was working all day, so I couldn't film with it yesterday. So I'm filming with it this morning. It's my day off and I'm gonna get it uploaded. It's gonna be a lot of fun. All right, I want to start with Creature Feature. I love the names in this palette. It's just so cute. I love the horror movie-esque kind of theme. I'm gonna use my Alter Ego number 6 brush. I want to focus this in the outer portion of my crease, because I'm going to use a different shade for the inside. I'll go ahead and tuck it a little on the lower lash. I'm just so proud of Theresa. I'm so happy she has a collab now. It's so well deserved. She deserves literally everything good in the world. Ooh, the shadow blends like butter. It's so nice. I love Lethal shadows. I wish I've tried more from Lethal. I just haven't yet. I have 2 palettes and I have a highlight and then I have a custom palette. But I don't have anything else, so I'm excited to try these liners because I've never tried them before. I want to take Body Snatch now and work on that in the front portion. This is a Colourpop E22. I want this to be up here just to add another pop of color through the crease, and I'm really going to focus this up towards my brow just because I am going to be cutting it and I want to make sure this shadow shines through. Ooh, I love these colors together. I never get sick of blues and greens. It's just so pretty. Oh, that's glorious. Okay, now we're gonna deepen things up with Predator, this beautiful blue. I'm just gonna take that on a pencil brush. This is a Colourpop E21. And I just want this in the outer corner of my eye and a little bit in the lower part of my like outer crease. I don't wanna take it all the way through. Just kind of out here in this zone. Oh, that's such a rich color. I'm gonna take it on my lower lash as well. Ooh, we're looking so cute. Okay, now I'm gonna take Creature Feature again, that very first shade on my first brush I use, and I'm gonna hold the end of my brush so that I have very light pressure. And I'm just gonna very lightly start blending at the very outer edge of that blue. Just to get everything nice and soft and blendy. Oh my gosh, these colors are so cool. Live for blues and greens. My goodness. I'll definitely have to do a look kind of playing with the pink in the palette as well because it's a really cute shade. I'm making sure I kind of extend it in the outer corner a little bit because I am going for some drama today. And these colors just deserve to shine as much as possible. I'm gonna take just a little bit more Body Snatch just to add a teeny bit more to the mix. Oh, it's gorgeous. I love it. Okay, so my goal is to do, oh, I can't decide. I like want to use the green and the gray. The green would be really cute, but it's not going to stand out against this. Maybe I'll try to use this in my waterline. I don't know if those are safe for the waterline off the top of my head. There's a lot of stuff going on in my brain. So maybe I will cut it with the gray. That could be fun, and then I will use the green in the waterline. I'm gonna use this flat brush from Colourpop. It's an E4, and I am just going to get some of this product on the brush. I'm going to just kind of paint some across the bottom of my lid. I'm gonna look up so I can see where it transfers on my eye, because then I can kind of see where my eye likes to lay, and then I can just kind of connect the dots. And I like to tilt my head back so I have a nice flat surface as well. Oh, it's such a creamy, smooth color. Holy cow, why have I not tried these before? I've wanted to try these liners ever since the After Dark collection released, like forever ago. Just never got around to it. Okay, now that I have that laid down, I really like it. I ended up having to just kind of off camera perfect it a little bit because I was having a hard time doing it from afar. And it's a little bit more extended in the inner corner than I planned, but I actually kind of like it. Gives kind of a unique shape to the eye look. So now I'm gonna take the brush that I have with the blue matte, no additional product, and I'm just gonna lightly smudge where the matte blue and the gray liner meet, just so it's smudgy. I'm quite enjoying this look. I think it's just so smoky, and I love how defined it is here, and then it just blends and blows out here. I'm very happy with these decisions that have been made. Okay, so inner corner and partial lower lash line, I want to use Spellbound, this beautiful purple shimmer. I'm not going to extend it all the way on the lower lash, but I do want it a little teeny bit down here. Because why not? And now I guess let's try to use this in my waterline. I'll just do that while I'm on camera with you guys. I'm gonna take that on this teeny brush from e.l.f. It's the e.l.f. J Kissa brush, the J6. It's just a really flat brush. I'm gonna attempt to throw this in my waterline. Just kind of see how it goes. Because this will definitely be a cute pop with that little bit of it that's in my crease. Ooh, I love that. And I feel like it definitely made this stand out more, having that in the lower lash. And my eye feels totally fine. So I'm going to repeat this on the other eye, throw on my lashes. I already have a waterline color, and something on my lips, and I'll be back when I'm complete. Oh my gosh, I love this look. I feel like my full witchy self, and it's just so cool. The lashes I'm wearing are Fiona from Noella Lashes, and then on my lips, I went with Stone Fox Lip Suede from NYX because it just completely goes with the vibe. And I love this. I think it's so cool. I added some stars too, by the way, I forgot to mention, with the Colourpop star stamp, just because I felt like it. I love this. I think it's so cute. Let me zoom you out and we will finish up this video and I'll chat a bit about the palette. All right, how did you like the tutorial? What do you think of my look? I think it's just so cool and bold. I'm obsessed with this. So excited to wear this for the rest of the day. I'm really impressed with these liners. They are so creamy and glidey. They don't get skippy. They just melt onto the eye so nicely. I was very easily able to buff my shadow into it to make a nice seamless blend. I haven't had any issues with creasing or anything, but I did try to leave my lids fairly like taut and closed-ish while it was drying. But so far so good. No creasiness, no anything. I'll obviously know better once I wear it for the rest of the day, but so far I really like these and I'm really happy they stick in my waterline nicely because I'll probably use these fairly frequently for that purpose. And the palette, it just makes me so happy. I'm just so proud of Theresa. This is such a cool accomplishment and she deserves it so much. I only used the one shimmer today, but it's so pretty in my inner corner. I love that pop of purple. It's gorgeous and I'm excited about the other two shimmers, especially this kind of like yellow gold shimmer. It's really pretty. And let's see, we used 3 mattes today. I used the blue, the turquoise, and the lime green, and I mean, they performed really well. I didn't have any issues with anything blending weird or getting patchy. I've really never had an issue with lethal shadows before, so I didn't expect to. So yeah, so far so good. This was great. I'm really excited to keep playing with it. I definitely want to play with the pink and red at some point. I'm really excited. Congratulations again, Theresa. I am so, so happy for you. You are so well deserving of this. I would love to know what you all think. Did you pick this palette up? Do you want to pick it up when it restocks? I would recommend just keeping track of their social medias for information on restocks. If you made it to the end of this video, leave me an emoji that makes you think of something spooky since this is a horror themed palette. And if you like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you're not already, please hop over to my Instagram. It's Beautbean. Follow me there. I post every single day. And don't forget to subscribe. I'm posting most days here as well. Thank you so much for watching and I will catch you in the next one. Okay, bye.